Tilt Motion Visa Credit Card is an unsecured card with no annual fee built specifically for people who are starting from scratch with credit or repairing past mistakes. Instead of focusing purely on a traditional credit score, Tilt uses alternative underwriting that looks at real-time cash flow, income, spending habits. This means applicants with poor or even no credit history have a better chance of approval, provided they have a stable financial pattern. There is no security deposit required, which frees up funds you might otherwise have to lock away. Payment activity is reported to all three major credit bureaus. The card can grant a credit limit increase in as little as 4 months of responsible use, much faster than many competitors, which can improve your credit utilization and speed up score improvement. It also charges no foreign transaction fees, giving it a slight edge for those who travel or shop internationally. On the downside, the APR is extremely high at 28.74% to 33.74%, making it impractical for carrying a balance. This is a card that only works in your favor if every statement is paid in full. Ward's program is limited to 1% to 10% cash back at certain national merchants listed within Tilt app, meaning most of your spending will earn nothing if it's outside those partnerships. There is no welcome bonus or introductory 0% APR period. Using the card requires linking a bank account, which some may find intrusive. Overall, Tilt Motion Visa Credit Card can be a lifeline for someone shut out by traditional credit products, offering a low-cost way to prove credit worth in and climb toward better options. The benefits make sense for disciplined users who will avoid interest entirely. The steep AP-RAN limited rewards mean any slip into carrying a balance comes with heavy costs.